Tonight I tell you, nothing happens by chance. You say, what a coincidence, when something unexpected happens. But I tell you, there is no accident in this world. Coincidence is the name we give to what we do not yet understand. All is order, though unseen. You are the cause, hidden behind the mask of circumstance. Every so-called coincidence is but the footprint of imagination, the echo of a cause once planted in consciousness. You look upon the event and call it luck, but I tell you, it was born the moment you felt it real. The world only reveals what you have already conceived in the unseen. You see the harvest, yet deny the sower, but it was you who sowed the seed. Nothing appears that was not first imagined, and because the seed was invisible, you call its fruit chance. Yet the unseen root was yours all along. Think of it this way. The farmer who plants corn is never surprised when corn appears. He doesn't cry, "What a coincidence! Corn grew." He knows creation followed the order he himself set in motion. So too, when you plant an imaginal act, the field of life must yield its likeness. The only mystery is when you planted it. You laugh, but that's how most of us live, shocked by our own harvest. A man once came to me saying he met the perfect business partner by coincidence. He had long imagined success, wealth, and freedom. And one afternoon, a stranger sat beside him on a train. They began to speak, discovered common aims, and soon launched the very enterprise he had been dreaming of. He called it coincidence. I called it the bridge of incidents. The outer meeting was the visible link in a chain forged long before, the day he assumed his success as already real. Coincidence is like a dreamer awakening in the middle of his own dream and saying, "What a strange thing! How did this come to be?" Yet nothing came to be. It was all proceeding from him. But when you awaken to the law of imagination, you know at last you were the dreamer, dreaming this world into being. You drew every character, set every scene, and timed every entrance without remembering you did so. The world, my friend, is yourself pushed out. Every unfolding you call coincidence is a letter written by your own hand, delivered with perfect precision by the law that never sleeps. When you assume a state and persist in it, the outer world reshapes itself in perfect correspondence with that assumption. You may call it chance, but I tell you it is law, not luck, that governs your life. For creation is finished. Nothing is to be made, only revealed. What you desire already exists, awaiting the bridge of incidents to bring it into view. So do not look for signs. Do not worship coincidence, nor chase the symbols that follow. They are shadows, effects, not causes. Let the unseen law move through its perfect sequence, for it needs neither your worry nor your witness. When the event arrives, stand still, and know this too is the harvest of a seed once imagined. It may come wrapped in delay, clothed in another's words, or disguised as chance itself, but it is yours, for none else could have conceived it. There are no accidents, only fulfillments. Every scene, every meeting, every so-called interruption is creation arranging itself to honor your assumption. It was never coincidence. It was imagination, moving under the name of chance, law acting in silence until the appointed hour. And when you see this clearly, you will no longer ask why or how. You will simply smile and say, of course, it could not have been otherwise.